Here we have a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country with a 4-liter engine and 220,000 kilometers. This vehicle features a CD player with USB and auxiliary, touchscreen navigation, heated leather seats, dual climate controls, dual powered side doors, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. This vehicle is selling for $5,950 plus taxes, and we do accept status cards. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000-kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500-kilometer check engine light warranty. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838, or you can visit voiceauto.ca.